Way better. Hey everybody, Rick from Tremor Outdoors here. Today we are going to be doing an install for you of the rear license plate LED lights. It's going to take it from a really dim color that the factory ones come with a nice bright white LED, one on each side of the plate here, so let's get at it. So you can see we have the one in here and one on the other side. So we have to start by first taking off this little cover here to get access. All right, we got in there with our upholstery tool, pop this loose. So we're gonna just turn this, it pops out like that. Okay, so this case comes off and the little light bulb just pops out and the little LED insert. You can see it's like a little spade there, and that's just gonna go in its place. I'm not sure if this one is affected by polarity. We'll try it out right now and we'll see. Look at the brightness difference. Look at that. Compared to that. Night and day. Night and day difference. Okay, and now I'm just going to put the LED back into the little housing here. Twist it back in. There we go. And wow, click. Let's try the other side. There we go. Okay, so you're gonna have to fiddle with it a little bit. Just make sure you got it on the right polarity. And then let's put this cap back on. There we go. Turn this back. Done. Wow. Such an easy change out to do. That was super easy. I wish that all of my wirings and lighting installs and stuff were that simple to do. But what a difference that makes. Way better. All right, so we're going to keep the factory bulbs just for emergency spares. I mean, I doubt that I'll ever land up swapping them back. Again, get yourself the little upholstery tool off of F-150 LEDs. It made it super simple to pop out that the little cap for it. Easy 5-minute job to do. So worth it though. It's going to give a lot of brightness to that license plate, and just looks way better. All right, so F-150 LEDs, check them out, and we will catch you on the next one.